Hey guys, my name is Soren and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going over how you can create more revenue for your small business. Now there's going to be three main ways you can do this that I'm going to bring up. Of course there's more than three ways to create revenue for your business. These are just the three ways that I think are the easiest and most beneficial for you to go over and create more revenue immediately in your business. The first one is to go over all of your products or services and assess your pricing and your pricing scale. There's a lot of things that you can do to either increase the value of your products or services and therefore increase the price as well, boosting your revenue. Or there is ways you can cut costs and providing your products or services, increasing the margin you have without changing the price for your customers. And if you think you can't charge any more for your products or services, you're probably coming at it from the wrong mindset. You just need to provide more value and convince your customers that you're providing more value for them as well. With my background in sales, I was working for a company that they were able to almost double the average sales contract value. And it just came from providing more value in the service and learning how to communicate that value to their customers. Now, granted, this is not something that is easy to do, but when you do it and when you believe in it, it is possible and it can completely change your business. The next thing to do is also product or service related. For example, I'm going to use a fitness coach example. A fitness coach might have a couple of different services they offer. They might offer a 90-minute intensive to write their client a workout plan to help them get in shape. They might offer an 8-week coaching period, and they might even offer a 16-week coaching period or 4 months. But if those are the only three offers, they all might have relatively high barriers of entry. And there's multiple ways that you can provide more products or services to your client base. There might be tons of people who can't afford the one-on-one coaching or the 8-week course or the 16-week course from the coach. But the coach offered a membership with monthly workouts that aren't personalized but generalized for $49 a month. They could access a whole new level of clients that are able to afford that per month, and it meets their needs and requirements for staying fit and being in shape and having workouts to do. They could also offer more long-term one-on-one coaching related products. There's multiple ways you can create more products and expand the services or products you offer to your client base, increasing the revenue for your company. Now, this depends on what industry you're in, of course, and what you are selling. It is possible across all industries to apply these principles to increase your revenue. Now, the third and last thing I want to talk about is your marketing strategy. One of the easiest things you can do to increase your sales is to increase your audience size. If only 500 people are seeing your content a month, only 500 people really have the opportunity to buy from you. If 5 million people have seen your products or services and your content online, you now have 5 million opportunities to sell to people. Increasing your audience is one of the easiest ways to increase your revenue. And it's simply because you're able to pitch people more times. Now, whether you're doing this through paid ads or organic marketing, it can be a great solution. Obviously, with paid ads or organic marketing, you want to look at the ROI in both cases. With paid advertising, it's obviously the cost per ad and the agency you're going to hire to do it. I rarely recommend doing this in-house because very rarely will you be able to do it as effective as an agency can do it for you. Same with organic marketing. Organic marketing, you're creating a lot of your own content. You have to weigh in how much your time is worth. And you even might want to consider hiring a coach or some form of agency to manage the platforms for you to fully leverage the reach you have on those platforms. And ultimately, there is always more ways to increase the revenue for your business. Not all of them are super quick or super easy or sure hard methods depending on the industry you are in. However, these three methods I went over with you most likely apply to you and your business. And I always recommend you go through and analyze these things every year anyways. Because if you're running a business, these things should be incorporated in your plan. You should really consider how much you're charging your clients or your customers for your products or services. You should really consider your marketing plan and what you are doing to increase your marketing and to reach your target customer. And of course, you should always analyze the products and services you are selling, because we live in a changing world. What sells today might not sell tomorrow. It might be replaced by a superior product or service, and you have to be prepared and willing to adapt your business to that. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to comment below any other topics you would like to see me talk about here on the channel, or things you would like to know, or if there was a method that I didn't cover that you think is awesome for increasing revenue in a small business. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me in the algorithm reach more people and help them create a financial future for themselves and their families. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.